Today we'll solve one question on journal. You can see here the question. Enter the following transactions in the book, in the journal of Mr. Tripathi Brothers, Mrs. Tripathi Brothers, and the dates are given here: 2019, January 6, 8, 14, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 30. Here the first transaction is sold goods for cash rupees 36,000. So we need to enter these transactions in the journal of Mrs. Tripathi Brothers. So here is the format for journal. You can see here, this is the format. In this format you need to enter these transactions, and at the top you need to write in the books of Mrs. Tripathi Brothers journal, then date, particulars, folio, debit and credit. Thereafter you will write the date here, 2019, first transaction January 6. The year you need to write only once. You need to write the date for each transaction, but the year you need to write only once. The first transaction was sold goods for cash 36,000. So when you sell goods for cash, you will get cash, you will receive cash, so cash will be debit, cash account debit to sales account, because what we have sold is goods, but we don't write goods. Goods is not written, so what we will write is sales. We have sold goods, we have parted with goods, but we will not write goods. You will be writing sales. So the next thing what you need to do here is sales account will be created. So cash account debit to sales account. The amount is 36,000. The next transaction is sold goods to Hari. Sold goods to Hari, rupees 30,000. Here we have sold goods to Hari. So who is the receiver of the goods? Hari. So Hari account will be debited. Hari account debit to sales account, because we have sold goods. This was on January 8. So you will write January 8 here. You can just also write 8. Next is 30,000. 30,000 for Hari account debit to sales. The next transaction was received cash from Hari, rupees 18,000. We have received cash from Hari, rupees 18,000. So once you receive cash from Hari, we have received cash has come into our business, so cash account will be debited. This was on January 14th. Cash account will be debited, rupees 18,000 to Hari account. Who is the giver of this cash? Hari. Hari has given, so Hari will be credited. In that case, Hari account will be credited with 18,000. The next one is received commission, rupees 750. We have received a commission of rupees 750. So here it is, January 26, cash account debit to commission. As we have received cash, we received commission, but what means is we have received cash in actual. So cash has come into our business, so cash account, what is real, what comes in is debit. So cash has come in, so cash will be debit, rupees 750 to commission. Commission is our income. When we receive commission, it is our income, and income is always credit in nature, so you will write to commission account 750. Next is paid salary to Gopal. You can see here on January 27th, paid salary to Gopal, rupees 1,200. So when you pay salary, it is an expense, it will be debited. Doesn't matter whether you have paid it to which person, A, B, C, D, Ram, Shyam, Gopal, doesn't matter. What is the major thing here is you have paid salary. So once you have paid salary, you need to debit it. So on January 27th, we have salary account debit to cash. Salary account will be debited, and since we have paid cash, so we need to create cash account. So salary account is debited and cash account is created with 1,200 on debit and credit sides. You also need to write narration, being salary paid, being commission received, being cash received from Hari. For each transaction you need to write proper narrations also. The next transaction is on January 28, received cash from Hari, rupees 12,000. Now again we have received cash from Hari, rupees 12,000. So again you will write the same thing on January 28, cash account debit to Hari account. Since we have received cash, so cash will be debited, so cash account is debit to Hari account with rupees 12,000. Next is withdrew cash from office for personal use, rupees 4,000. We have withdrawn cash from the office for personal use. So whenever you withdraw cash from the office for personal use, whenever you withdraw amount, that is called drawings, and drawings is something that reduces our liability. Capital is our liability, and by drawings capital is reduced, so something that reduces our liability is our asset. So assets are always debit, so drawings will be debit in nature, and what we have parted with, what we have given is cash. Cash has been withdrawn from the business, so cash account will always be credited here. So drawings account debit to cash, that rupees 4,000. on January 29 being cash withdrawn. This is the simple narration that you need to write. Next is wages paid rupees 7,200. You have paid for wages. Once you paid for wages, that what does it mean? You have to pay cash. So wages account debit to cash account. You have paid wages rupees 7,200, and what you have paid actually is cash. The cash account will be credited. Wages is our expense. Expense is always debit in nature. Since wages is our expense and wages expense is always having a debit nature, so wages account will be debited to cash account 7,200. And at last we have bought machinery for cash rupees 8,000. So once you have bought machinery for cash, so machinery is real account. Machinery is something that has come into our business, so whatever comes in is debit, so machinery account will be debited to cash. You have paid cash for purchasing of machinery, so cash will be credited. So machinery account debit to cash rupees 8,000 on debit and credit sides both. So this were all the transactions written here. I am showing you all the transactions once more with the correct format. Always remember, in class 11 format is very compulsory to be followed. As I am telling you again and again, you need to follow the formats properly. Format must be drawn with the help of a pencil and ruler. Next, you can write the transactions with pen, but format must be made with a pencil. After watching this video, I'll also send you a question that you need to solve and send it to me personally on WhatsApp. So please try to complete it as soon as possible and send me the solution as soon as personally on WhatsApp. Till then, thank you very much and